Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the latest gadgets to help you decide what's worth your hard-earned money. Today, we're diving into the Vanmoof S5, an electric bike promising a blend of innovation and performance. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Let's start with design. The Vanmoof S5 features a modern aesthetic, with its distinctive extended top tube housing front and rear lights. The build quality is solid, but it's clear they've packed in a lot of tech, which sometimes makes you wonder if less could be more. In terms of performance, the S5 doesn't disappoint. It's equipped with a new Gen 5 front hub motor that's impressively quiet, providing a smooth ride even at its top speeds. The 3-speed automatic E-shifter is a nice touch, though some might find it unnecessary for daily commutes. Now, let's talk features. From integrated GPS tracking to Apple Find My support, Vanmoof has left no stone unturned. The Halo Ring interface, flanking both grips, provides essential ride data, but its visibility under sunlight could be better. And don't get me started on the playful sounds during firmware updates. Usability-wise, the S5 caters well to urban commuters with features like a built-in phone mount. With USB-C charging and hydraulic disc brakes for reliable stopping power. However, some may find the additional multi-function buttons and electronic bell more novelty than necessity. Battery life is respectable, offering around 60 km per charge under optimal conditions. Charging is a bit slow but designed for longevity, which is crucial considering the integrated battery setup. So, what's the verdict on the Vanmoof S5? It's undeniably feature-rich and delivers a solid ride experience. However, with complexity comes a higher risk of issues, as seen with firmware quirks and occasional build concerns. Whether it's worth the premium price tag ultimately depends on how much you value those extra bells and whistles. That's all for today's episode of Product Critique. If you've enjoyed our deep dive into the Vanmoof S5, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more unbiased reviews. Until next time, ride safe and choose wisely.